Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact phone number format Google shows and the profile it's attached to. Sign into the Google account that manages that business profile or knowledge panel. Once signed in, gather proof of ownership, government ID, business license, utility bill, because you may need to verify changes. Make sure to note when the number was added and which pages reference it, since that determines the next steps and speeds up removal if the number appears on third-party sites. You now edit the source. Open Google Business Profile and remove or replace the phone field, save and publish changes. If the number appears in a knowledge panel, choose Suggest an Edit and request removal with a clear reason. Once done, locate third-party sites showing the number and ask them to update or delete it. Those sources often repopulate search. If a cached page persists, use Google Search Console's Removals tool to request temporary deindexing while you get source content fixed. You finish by monitoring Google for 24 to 72 hours to allow changes and cache refresh. If the number is sensitive, like doxing or harassment, use Google's legal removal forms and provide evidence. Otherwise, use the feedback link on the search result to report outdated info. If the number still appears, make sure every source was updated, follow up with site owners, and resubmit removals. Troubleshooting tip. If indexing persists, clear site caches. Request recrawl in Search Console, and document.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.